My name is Matt Gillespie. I'm an industrial designer by training and one of the founders of GoSun Stove. We make innovative solar cooking technology. We're working currently with the United Nations, the Global Alliance for Clean Cook Stoves, to get our technology into developing markets. We are interested in using crowdfunding for our business, and that it gave us the flexibility to really be in control of our future. And we've chosen a slow and steady growth projection that will allow us to really touch markets beyond the developed markets. One of the largest problems in the world today is the effects of dirty cooking fuels, particularly smoke inhalation related illness. And solar cooking provides a unique advantage of also protecting forest. It requires no biomass or wood to fire kitchens. And so by protecting forest and saving the environment,